Good morning, friends. So far, we have discussed two poems and one short story, that is Kabuliwala. Towards the end of the story Kabuliwala, we see that Rahman, the Kabuliwala, was punished for several years and he was almost forgotten by the writer and his friend Mini also. As a child, Mini loved to talk with Rahman as freely as a daughter. But later on, as Mini grows up, as per traditions, as per our culture, the writer says her marriage was about to take place. In between, writer reflects on various things, maybe visit to a foreign nation. He goes on imagining. Actually, he was writing 17th chapter of his novel, in which a king is about to spurt his horse with his beloved. But he says, as Mini grows up, she was given special treatment by her mother. Now she was not permitted to play with her mates. In typical Indian society, we know की भारतीय समाज हा पुरुष प्रधान समाज आहे. लहानपणापासूनच मुलींना इथे वेगळी वागणूक दिली जाते. कसं वागायचं, कसं बोलायचं. Because daughters are supposed to be married off as a responsibility. मुलीला आपल्याकडे परक्याचं धन म्हटलेलं आहे. त्यासोबतच या आपल्या संस्कृतीनं अनेक बंधनं मुलींवर लादलेली आहेत. So, writer says, to meet his own daughter is also became a difficult matter for him. Even though Mini is his daughter, he was not free to meet her freely in the house. Rahman was already forgotten. As per the tradition, Mini's marriage was about to take place. And he says, I was busy in making accounts. I was busy in engaging peoples. I was busy in purchasing essential things for her marriage. And at the same time, Rahman entered. He was in jail for several years. Now he was not carrying a bag full of gifts, full of raisins, almonds. His behavior, his appearance was now shabby. पूर्वीसारखा दिसत नव्हता. Writer identified him. Then asked him, when was he released? And while living, he asked writer, where is my little friend Minnie? Writer told him that she is no longer a child now. Today is her marriage. So he could not meet her today. Then Rahman left the place and comes back again. While coming back, he requests writer and brings out a piece of paper from his pocket of his shirt. It was an old piece of paper on which there was a mark of 5 fingers. Just a mark of this palm. It was not a drawn piece of drawing, just inked piece. शाईमध्ये हात भरून कागदावर एक ठसा उमटवलेला होता हाताचा. And Rahman tells writer that far away in my nation, in Afghanistan, I also have a little daughter. Whenever I talked with your daughter Minnie, I remembered my own daughter. This is the finger mark of my little daughters. Now writer says, he could not stop himself. Somehow he managed to call Minnie, and Minnie comes in the appearance of a bride. Here also Rahman repeats that sentence, that little one, are you going to your father-in-law's house? But Minnie could not spoken a single word. Rahman left the house. Writer says, after that I got a currency note. I handed it over to Rahman and asked him to go back to his own home. Writer says, at a hand, I was very unhappy. I was sorrowful that my daughter is going to be married off. But on the other hand, he says, I was quite happy that I have donated something for meeting of a daughter and father. एका दूर देशामध्ये असलेल्या आपल्या मुलीला भेटण्यासाठी एका वडिलाला जी मदत केली होती, लेखक म्हणतो की त्याचं मला खूप समाधान होतं. अशा प्रकारची ही काबुलीवाला नावाची रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांची ही कथा उद्याच्या तासिकेत आपण मनोहर माळगावकर यांची हश नावाची जी स्टोरी आहे त्याबद्दल चर्चा करूयात. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद.